Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how you can add categories and subcategories. So it's very easy and simple. So first we are going to our Shopify admin panel, and here you can see online store. Click on that online store and navigation. Click on that, and now you can see two menu. And I am going to our main menu section. So choose this main menu. This is for our header menu, and now we are going to add a category. So for adding a category, just click add menu item, and here write your category name. So for example, I am going to write name women's collection, and here just add your page. So for example, I am going to add our home page and click add. Now add subcategory. Click on add menu and give a name. And select your product, or you can add any of item and click add. Now just click on that and drag on here, put it, and click save menu. Now it will be saved, and now if I see our homepage and view your online store, it's not showing because the cache not cleared. So here you can see we have successfully added categories and subcategories. Just click, and here you can see subcategory. So this is the way you can add category and subcategory in your Shopify store. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.